Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Windows 10. Today we are going to add another keyboard layout to our system to or our machine. As you see guys, we got here English and Pashto. Just we are going to add another language. Multiple time I'm using the different keyboards layout like Urdu, Hindi, English, Russian. Multiple keyboards I'm going to use, but today I'm going to add another keyboard. Two keyboards are available here. So simply we are going to the start menu. From start menus, selecting the settings. After the settings, we are coming here to select on or click on the time in language. Then after we are coming on the language. So we have multiple choices here. We are not going to in deep. Just we are coming simply here to press this button as add language. So I am getting all the language list here which is available or supported by Microsoft. Simply I am looking for the Persian language. As I press or type the 3 words or maybe 4 words of any languages, that will be available for me. As you see, this is my target language. I'm selecting that and pressing on the next button. Then after it asks me for all package which is available supported by Microsoft, it will download for me. If it's required for you, you download, but I don't need that. I'm going to uncheck this selection box. So coming to the install button, pressing on install. So simply this language is added in and available for us for the typing and using as we want. So coming here to change to see these languages, as you see guys, now we got the 3 languages here. So now this is another trick how to use the on-screen keyboard. That is also simple. Just we are coming to the start menu, search box, just typing the on-screen keyboard. So as you see guys, the on-screen keyboard is selected. So coming now, this is on the keyboard layout is in English. We are going to change this to the Pashto. Immediately you will see all the effect on this keyboard. Now I am going to change to the Persian. So this keyboard is changed for me. So that was just that much simple. So guys, I hope you like this video, or if you like this video, guys, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Have a good day. See you up to next video.